1. What is HVAC-free cooling? HVAC-free cooling is a process of using outside air to cool a building without the use of a mechanical refrigeration system. It is a very energy-efficient and environmentally friendly way to cool a building. 2. How does HVAC-free cooling work? There are two main types of HVAC-free cooling, direct and indirect. Direct-free cooling. Direct-free cooling systems pass outside air directly over the cooling coil of a chiller or air handling unit, AHU. This is the simplest and most efficient type of free cooling system, but it is only suitable for climates where the outside temperature is consistently cooler than the required chilled water temperature. Indirect free cooling. Indirect free cooling systems use a heat exchanger to transfer heat from the chilled water loop to the outside air. This type of free cooling system is more expensive than direct free cooling, but it can be used in a wider range of climates, including climates where the outside temperature is not consistently cooler than the required chilled water temperature. 3. What are the benefits of HVAC-free cooling? The benefits of HVAC-free cooling include energy savings. Free cooling can save a significant amount of energy, especially in climates with cool winters and moderate summers. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Free cooling does not produce any greenhouse gases, so it is a very environmentally friendly way to cool a building. Extended equipment life. Free cooling can extend the life of mechanical refrigeration equipment by reducing the amount of time that it needs to run. Reduced maintenance costs. Free cooling systems require less maintenance than mechanical refrigeration systems. 4. What are the drawbacks of HVAC-free cooling? The drawbacks of HVAC-free cooling include initial cost. The initial cost of installing a free cooling system may be higher than the cost of installing a traditional HVAC system. However, the energy savings can offset the initial cost over time. Climate. Free cooling is most effective in climates with cool winters and moderate summers. In hotter climates, a hybrid system that uses both free cooling and mechanical refrigeration may be necessary. Space requirements. Free cooling systems may require more space than traditional HVAC systems. This is because direct free cooling systems require a direct path for outside air to flow over the cooling coil. Indirect free cooling systems require space for the heat exchanger and the pump. 5. What types of buildings can use HVAC-free cooling? HVAC-free cooling can be used in a wide range of buildings, including commercial buildings, industrial buildings, and data centers. Thanks for listening. Please check the description for much more and please share.